An Asian-inspired brine provides the flavor for this turkey that will soak in it for 24 hours. A special Schezwan sauce is prepared and then spread onto the drained and dried turkey. Veggies are then added and the turkey is inserted into the oven. At intervals, I like to layer on more of the Schezwan sauce and cook it. The turkey is also basted in its own juices. Hi everyone and happy Thanksgiving. Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Cardamoms. Every year I make a different style of turkey and this year I decided to make a Schezwan turkey. Schezwan sauce or marinade is really popular in India and I've made several videos making this delicious marinade. Today I'm going to be using it on my turkey and it's going to be delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with a 12-pound frozen butterball. I've thawed this completely and I will prepare a brine. I have 2 liters here of hot water. Add half a cup of salt and half a cup of sugar, and I'm also going to add some whole spices. I've got 2 inches of cinnamon, 6 red chilies, 3 Star Anise, 3 black cardamoms, and 1 teaspoon of mixed black and white peppercorns. Give this a really good mix and allow this to cool down. I'm using hot water to help dissolve the salt and sugar and also to bring out the flavors of the whole spices. Now I will add 2 liters of cold water and a couple of slices of ginger. I'm going to add my turkey into a plastic lined container and I'm going to cover it with the cooled brine. The brine will plump up the turkey and keep it super moist. Be sure not to brine it for too long or the turkey meat can change its consistency. I will tie this and store this in my fridge for no more than 18 hours. To make the Schezwan sauce, I'm going to take 10 Kashmiri chilies, this is 7 ounces or 200 grams, and 20 regular chilies, this is also 7 ounces and 200 grams. Boil this together with 1 teaspoon of Sichuan Peppercorns. I'm going to boil this for about 15 to 20 minutes till the skins are nice and soft. Drain this and keep it aside to cool, but reserve some of the boiling liquid. Once cool, I'm going to process this, adding a little bit of the liquid as required to get a smooth paste. I'm going to heat half a cup of oil and I'm going to saute a 1/4 cup each of minced ginger and garlic. Followed by 1 tablespoon of spring onions. Now I'm going to scrape all of the ground chili in here and saute it. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Add salt to taste and a pinch of sugar. I'm also going to add some fresh cracked pepper. Cook this for 10 to 15 minutes, covered, till the oil floats to the top. Cool and bottle this and store it in the fridge. This can be made ahead. You can also double the recipe if you have a bigger bird and or if you want to serve some as a sauce on the side. After the brining process, I'm going to drain the turkey from its brining solution. Pat it dry. For best results, allow the turkey to air dry for a few hours. This will ensure better browning. I'm placing my turkey in my roasting tray over a rack, and I'm going to add a thin layer of the Schezwan sauce. I'm going to cover the surface starting with the back of the turkey, and then I'm going to flip it over, breast side up. Don't forget to also season the cavity. Now I'm going to add some veg. I have carrots, green peppers, shallots, and mushrooms. I'm going to put the lid on and I'm going to add this to my preheated oven that has been heated to 350 degrees. This turkey will cook for about 3 to 4 hours unstuffed. After the first hour, I'm going to add another layer of the Schezwan sauce. And I will also throw in the neck and the liver that was stored in the cavity of the bird, as I forgot to add it earlier. This will contribute to a really nice rich gravy. I'm going to put this back into the oven for another hour. In between, I will keep adding layers of the Schezwan sauce, and I will now cook it uncovered. Add a piece of foil if the bird starts to get too dark in certain spots. Baste the bird in between in its own juices. When the turkey reaches an internal temperature of 160 to 175 degrees in the thigh, it's ready. Keeping with the Asian theme, I'm going to be serving this with fried rice and Asian-inspired turkey gravy. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this absolutely delicious recipe for Schezwan turkey. I hope that you're going to make it for Thanksgiving or Christmas, and I know that all of your friends and family will love it. If you love my videos, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can see all of these videos as soon as I post them. Also, if you love my videos, do share them with your family and friends. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.